Hello. Today I want to talk about postpartum essentials, in my opinion, as a birth and postpartum doula, a mom, and a former labor, delivery, and postpartum nurse. We're going to start with pads. So I really like to have clean items, especially that are going to be coming in contact with open wounds potentially. So this is the brand I like, Rail Organic Cotton Cover Pads. You can obviously get bigger ones, and then these are the regular. You can get super, I'm pretty sure. And then they also make these reusable ones, which is actually what I used. And you can use them for your period as well. And then for ice packs, there's the Freedom Instant Ice Pack, which you snap and shake. These are super amazing. It is recommended to switch to warmth after the first 12, 24 hours. But if you're very uncomfortable, you can use these intermittently to provide some relief. You can also use these reusable hot and cold pads. They can either go in the freezer or in the microwave to provide some relief. A sitz bath, fill this with water, sit on the toilet. You can fill it with herbs as well. Peri bottle, I like this angled peri bottle. It gives you better reach. You don't have to finagle as much. Earth Mama perineal spray, super comforting. Freedom perineal healing foam, also amazing. Witch hazel, you can buy in a container like this, or you can buy the cotton cover rounds, which are great and easy. And then heating pad for cramping. I actually sat on this when I was uncomfortable from tearing. So like I said, if you're trying to avoid putting ice on to promote healing, warmth is really important. So I would put this in the chair that I was going to be nursing in, like my recliner. Do my care in the bathroom, have this heating up, so then it was ready for when I was nursing to provide some comfort during that time. Those are my postpartum essentials. Like and follow for more.